Hi, I'm Amy Rachelle. I'm the founder of Go Vegan. I'm super excited to share my new program with you. This is how I've healed my own body and really come into such a great state of thriving and help thousands of people to do the same thing. Here's how Go Vegan works in 4 steps and in 4 weeks. Step 1, watch a short video, which is usually under about 8 minutes. And then step 2, do your self-checklist, your tracking system that helps you to stay on track with your body, with your health, how the food and the lifestyle is affecting you, and with your program in general. Step 3 is our food plan and prepare system. This is where you will see meal planners, you can create a grocery list, and we have loads of recipes, about 150 of them, and you can learn food values, the benefits of food. Then step 4 is completing all your homework. Usually you have a few downloads, sometimes a worksheet to fill out. It's a way for you to tie everything up and to make sure you've completed all of your work in your program. We suggest studying about 30 minutes a day, about 6 days a week. You can get through it quicker, or you can really take your time with it and move through it as you like. Go Vegan is fun, informative. It's based on loads of personal and professional experience, and it brings me so much happiness to bring it to you now.
Ah, yeah.